see what we got in here. Breakfast looks amazing here. Breakfast in Estonia. We've got this morning, we're at Roast Bakery, and we've got some pastries. We've got here, this one is rhubarb and almond cream, and this one is a cardamom bun. Looking forward to trying these babies. Let's give it a shot. You know how I love breakfast, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Trying this one first. This is really good. This is the cardamom. My wife is gonna love this. It tastes a little bit like an ocean roll from Sparrow Bakery in Bend, Oregon, where I used to live. This is super good. Mmm. It's a bird here that wants my food. All right. Let's try the rhubarb and almond cream. Mmm. All right, that one has a strong and unusual taste. I think the cardamom's the winner here. Here's what this place looks like. As I've always said, the only thing better than breakfast is having a second breakfast. So I started at Roost Bakery this morning, which was really good. I'm gonna have to be swatting these birds with my selfie stick out of the way here because they're very hungry. Started at Roost Bakery this morning. I had their cardamom bomb and I had cardamom bun, and I also had their rhubarb and almond croissant. The rhubarb was not to my liking at all, but I love the cardamom. Now I'm over at Pula Bakery in the Old Town, having second breakfast, which love second breakfast. I've got Americano here with oat milk. Not bad at all. I'm gonna try their cardamom. So let's see how it stacks up. And I've also got their almond, which I had yesterday. I already know is amazing. Here's their cardamom. Mmm. Mm, God. Wow. Wow. All right. This cardamom bun is even better than the one over at Roast. And that one was amazing. This thing is out of this world. That is a 10 out of 10. The other one I would say was like a 9.1. The reason why? This one is heavier, it's a little bit denser. It's creamy in a way. The cardamom is stronger, you taste it stronger. It's got some dusted sugar on top. And it's also a little bit chewier. The other one, the texture of the one over at Roast was a little bit firmer in a way. This one is like, it's like biting into marshmallows. Freaking unbelievable. So good. So good. Now let's try the almond. I had this yesterday, but let's see if it's just as good today. So amazing. Love it. Love it. The almond one, I'll give them like an 8.8. Delicious. Love this place. So I've already had 2 breakfasts this morning. Jen has not had any yet because she doesn't like to wake up and immediately leave the hotel as quickly as I do. So we're here in the room. I've brought back some stuff for her. We're at the Savoy Ritzwell, and I'm gonna show you. You can't really see too well unless I step back, but the beautiful view we have in our room of Tallinn's Old Town. You can see the Nevsky Cathedral in the upper Old Town in the background here. So we've got a lovely view. And we have some even lovelier things here on the plate for Jen to try this morning. We'll see which ones she likes the best. So which one do you want to try first, Jen?
All right, so
Do you want to do the two cardamoms first?
Yeah, I was thinking
Okay,
maybe
let's
I'll
do.
try the two cardamoms. So.
All right, so first try the cardamom from the Roast Bakery, which is just outside of the Old Town.
All right. So, we used to live in a place that had cardamom rolls, ocean rolls in Bend, Oregon.
Sparrow Bakery.
Sparrow Bakery.
I mentioned the
We
same thing when
loved those.
I ate that. That's what it made me think of a little.
Every time we see cardamom buns or something with cardamom,
We eat it
always
and
try
think
it,
of Sparrow,
thinking
right?
Maybe it'll be like ocean
Sparrow?
roll. This reminds me of an ocean roll.
Uh-huh.
It's a little bit more, the texture is, it's nice because it's soft on the inside. You can see it's braided. It's like a big braid, you know, braided and round around.
Mm-hmm.
So the texture is a little different because on the top it has a nice caramelized, I don't know, caramelized, the sugar is caramelized and it's really tasty. And I like the taste of all the layers, but the
So,
flavor is
Out of 10,
similar.
wait, before you go to the other cardamom, what do you give that out of 10?
I don't know. It's really good. I don't know what a 10 would be, so I'll say 9 out of 10 because maybe there could be something better.
Okay. Now this is the cardamom roll from Pula Bakery. This one is in the Old Town.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this one's bigger. It's bigger to put your mouth around. I'm
Yep.
trying to figure out how do I
It is
start
larger.
on this thing. Mmm. This one is very soft. It's good, but it's not as flavorful as this one.
Wow.
You like this one better?
Oh yeah.
What do you like about it? It's soft. It's buttery.
Yeah. To me,
very
that thing is
buttery.
like, I described it as like biting into like a marshmallow. It is like,
yeah, it's very
it's
soft,
dense,
buttery.
but it's like,
it's got this nice little sugary top.
uh-huh.
You can taste the cardamom, but this one is more flavorful. I like
Really?
it. This would be
Fascinating.
maybe a 7 out of 10 for me.
Really?
Yeah.
That is fascinating.
Yeah.
That
I
is
guess I'm going
fascinating.
for flavor. This one's really flavorful. This
Wow.
one's texture is very nice.
Take one more
Soft.
bite of that just to make sure.
All right, one more bite. Okay.
See, this is going to work out great because I can eat her leftovers if she doesn't like that one as much.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely roast.
I'll be finishing this one.
Wow. Fascinating because for me, the bun from Pula Bakery is a 10 out of 10.
You should
And the
be
one
showing your own face.
and the
how
one from
surprised
Roast.
You are.
and the one from Roast is a 9 out of 10. All right. So now I want you to try the other two. Let's try the rhubarb.
All right. So
The rhubarb and almond cream. That is also from Roast. So same bakery that she
Did
prefers.
you try this one?
Yes.
I want to get where I can taste the cream. It's probably
Okay.
more on the inside here.
All right.
Nice.
You like that one?
Yeah, I'm not really that familiar with rhubarb,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a nice little tart. It tastes nice and tart, and it's a good complement to the almond and the cream. I'll take another bite here.
So what do you give that one?
It's a different category.
Rate it. 1 to 10. As the tram goes by in the background, she's thinking about it. Play the Jeopardy music.
Okay, so I gave that one a 9 out. So I'm comparing 9 out of 10, so that was
7.
a little bit lower. This
You
is
said?
similar to 7, but they're both really good.
You're gonna
so I
give it a
would
7?
say- yeah. would say-
I gave that one a 1.5.
You didn't like it.
I found
You're
that
not-
one-
You're not into fruit. I'm surprised you didn't have rhubarb.
Well, I thought, what the hell? Let's try it.
Was that one of their specialties?
Yeah, I gave that one a 1.5. Did not care for it. All right, last thing up for grabs here is the almond bun. This is also from the Pula Bakery.
Okay, this is another big guy. Gotta attack it like a big sandwich here. That's from the same place as this one?
Yes.
I like it a little bit better.
Do you? Interesting. I like this one a lot too. I give the almond an 8.5.
If that one's a 7, that one's an 8.
Wow. All right.
Better than this one, but not as good as
So in summary, you're giving this an 8 for the almond bun
this
from
is
Pula.
my favorite. This
Right.
is the 9.
8,
8,
7, 9, and 7. You said correct.
Both 7s, 8, and 9. This one's the winner. Where's this one from?
That one's from Roast Bakery.
Roast.
So
Cardamom
the
roll?
roast
That's
is
what this is
roast
called?
cardamom roll. So the roast is your
Delicious.
winner. The Pula cardamom is my
This
winner.
is Dave's winner.
Overall, though, breakfast in Estonia, thumbs up so far.
Yeah, really good.
How did I do with what I selected
Very
for you?
nice. This was
Very nice?
Very nice selection.
Okay, great. Thank you. Funny coda to yesterday's pastry cardamom bun debate, I guess you would call it. So I'm back this morning at Pula Bakery in the Old Town, which I think has the best cardamom buns anywhere. And okay, thank you. And my wife is over at at Roast Bakery, which she thinks has better cardamom buns. So we're having separate breakfast this morning based upon our preferences, right? You can do that if you travel together for a month. Anyways, love these things. I think these are the best cardamom buns in the world. Absolutely perfect. Because they're doughier, they're spongier. Love these things.